Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add new rows from table to another table using Append Query without making any duplicates. Here we have employee all data which has 10 rows, and we have another table employee new data which has about 17 rows. So if we want to add only the rows that does not exist in the old data table, we can use Append Query with a criteria in order to prevent adding the old rows to the old table. So let's see in action how we do it. We have to go to the Create tab, then click on the Query Design. And now we have to add that table which contains the new row. Here we have the employee new data table. Double click it and then close. Now we have to add the fields to the field area. I will click the first field and then scroll down, then press shift and click to select all the fields, then drag and release it. As you see, the fields has been added. As a second step, you have to click on the append icon and then select the destination table, the table which you want to add or insert the data into it. In our case, we have employee old data which we want to add or insert data from new data table. So I will select the old data and then click OK. In the criteria field, we write not in, then open parentheses and then select the ID from the old table. So we have to write the table name employee old data. I can double click it and then dot and then the field name which is ID. Double click it. And this selection is from where? From the table name, from the old table, from employee old data. Then close the parentheses. Now if I want to run the query, I will click on the run query, and as you see it says you are about to append 7 rows, which means it only inserting the new rows to the old table. If I click yes, the employee data became 17 rows now, same as the new data table. In the next video, we will talk about the append query for tables which use a combination of 2 or more columns as a primary key, which is more complicated than this, but we will make it very simple for you. So see you in my next video.